Let's see how to add page number in a PDF. We can see there is no page number here, neither at the bottom. There is no page number here also. Again, not at the top, neither at the bottom. So in this PDF file, the page number has not been mentioned. You can see it consists of 28 pages. So let me show you how to add page number. So click on tools. So click on edit PDF, click on open, then click on header and footer, click here, then click add. Now we can see an header and footer dialog box appear. So we can put the page number at 6 different places in a file or in a page. So first will be the left header, then the center header, then the right header, then the left footer, then the center footer, then the right footer. So we are inserting page number to the right header. So click here. Now click on page number and date format. We can see page number format from here. We want this format. Then start page number. So the page is going to be started from 1 only. So click OK. Now click here, insert page number. You can see the page number 1 has been inserted. Now click OK. We can see page number 1, page number 2, page number 3 up to page number 28. Let's see how to remove page number. So click on header and footer again. Click on remove. Are you sure you want to permanently remove the header and footer information? Click on yes. Now we can see the page number has been removed from here or from all other pages. Now let's see how to add page number from a particular page. So let it be from 11 onwards. So click here. Now click on add. Now this time I am going to add page number at footer, right footer. So click here. Then click on page and date format. Then this will be the page number format. You can also change the format. Let me keep the format same and start page number. So here I will press 11. So the page number will be marked from 11 onwards. So click OK. Then now click on insert page number. Now we can see the format of the page number is inserted here. This is not the page number. This is the format, as we have inserted page number from 11 onwards. Now click OK. We can also change the size of the page number. Like the size is currently 8, so make it 14. We can also change the color by making it red. We can also change the font, margin where we have to place the page number, like top, bottom, right, left. Now let's click OK. So now let me scroll to show you the page number. You can see it has been marked 11 here with red color because I have changed the color. Again here 12. Again here 13 with red color because I have changed the color of the page number. So let me scroll the last page. We can see it has been marked as 38. So the page number is correct. So in this way we can mark page number in a PDF file or page.